Hey guys, it's As Can't Sing. I just had a brilliant night in bowling with my girlfriend. It was a bit crazy. It was more like karaoke than anything else. Plenty of drink going down. I'm absolutely drunk. No, not drunk. I'll say merry. But it was just me and my girlfriend playing a bit of 10-pin bowling. So if you enjoy this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, if you click the bell at the bottom, get notifications from me and everything. But subscribe, comment, everything. If you enjoy this, yeah. Why am I repeating myself? Bloody hell. Alright, here's the video. Goodbye and good night. Also, I've not uploaded in a while. It's been chaotic because stuff going on at home and everything. Because I can't really explain. But if you enjoy this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Stop.
Not the driver's me. People passing by will stop and say, oh my, it's going boy to play. Go, go, whoa! And she did, whoa! I will have to admit, after that shot, she injured herself a little bit. A little bit embarrassing though, but she did a bit of like, what the heck? She missed that one pin, like, what the heck? I know she's a bit injured, but hey, I had the advantage. Seen our drinks, yeah, we're drunk. Not very nice. I know, love. What do you have to say about that? Do you think you'll beat me? You don't think you'll beat me? And this is how much I really love my girlfriend. Yes, she is my fiance, but deep down, I absolutely love her. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Well, you name it, it's As Can't Sing. And thank you.